Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear student, welcome to the sixth session of the online tutorial. This week we are going to learn about cover letter and curriculum vitae. You can find this week material in module 7, which consists of two learning activities. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to write a cover letter in English and identify the parts of curriculum vitae. Please study the material and enrichment link below. Afterwards, please participate in discussion forum 6 and submit the assignment 2 if you haven't. Thank you.